Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon. Today we will learn and discuss about subtraction of like fractions, how to subtract like fractions. And if you have not watched my videos that subtract addition of like fractions, addition of unlike fraction, addition of mixed fractions, and how to convert the mixed fraction into unlike fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction, and how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, and please watch that videos. And today we'll discuss about how to subtract like fractions. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog masquerade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other states board. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now we discuss about subtraction of unlike fractions. How to subtract unlike fractions. What is unlike fractions? When the denominators of the two fractions are not equal, that is both have unequal denominators, different denominators, then those fractions are said to be unlike fractions. How to subtract unlike fractions? Just find out the LCM, that is the least common multiple of the denominator of that fractions, then convert that fraction into equivalent fraction, that is equating the denominator to the LCM, equal to the LCM by multiplying the same number with both the numerator and denominator of that fraction. Then the fraction that we get is called the equivalent fraction. Then after getting the equivalent fraction, both have equal denominators, that is both are like fraction, and we have to subtract the like fraction, just only the subtracting the numerators, and the result, that subtraction of unlike fraction, that is the result of that subtraction of unlike fraction. Now let's take an example. Subtract 2 divided by 5 from 5 divided by 7. Both are unlike fractions is because the denominators both are different. Both have different denominators, only unequal denominators. Here in the fraction 2 divided by 5, the denominator is 5, and in the fraction 5 divided by 7, denominator is 7. 5 and 7 both are unequal in this unlike fraction. Now we have to subtract 2 divided by 5 from 5 divided by 7. That is, we have to subtract 2 divided by 5 from 5 divided by 7. That is 5 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 5. Now we have to first find out the LCM of 7 and 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Because both are prime numbers, when we find out the LCM of the prime number, just multiply that prime numbers. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35, and LCM is 7 and 5 is 35. Now we have to convert these fractions into equivalent fraction. Just multiplying the denominator. Here in the table 7, we multiply the number 7. Which number we multiply the number 7, we get 35, that is equal to the LCM. In the table 7, we know 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So we have to multiply the same number 5 in the numerator also. Multiplying the numerator, 5 multiplied with 5 divided by 7 multiplied by 5. This is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 7. Now subtract this. We have to convert this fraction 2 divided by 5 into the equivalent fraction. We have to find out the number, which number you have to multiply the denominator 5. We get the LCM, that is 35. We know in the table 5, we multiplying the number 7 with 5, we get the number 35, which is equal to the LCM. Now we have to multiply the same number 7 with the numerator also. So multiply the numerator 2 with 7, we get 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 5 multiplied by 7. Now we have to find out the multiplication of this numerator and denominators. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Minus 2 multiplied by 7 is 14, and 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Now these are these both fractions are like fraction because the denominators are equal, that is equal to 35. Now we have to subtract the numerators only. 25 minus 14 divided by 35, and 25 minus 14 is 11. Now we get 11 divided by 35, and this is the answer of this subtraction of this fraction. 5 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 5. So when we subtract the unlike fraction, just first find out the LCM and then convert the fraction into equivalent fraction equal to the denominator to the equal to the LCM by multiplying the same number with both the numerator and denominator. Then after getting the equivalent fraction that is equal to the like fraction having the same denominators, then we have to subtract the numerators only, and the result of that subtraction of the fraction, that is the result of the subtraction of unlike fraction. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.